visionary oeuvre of the Austrian-Liechtenstein artist Anne Marie Jehle, who was born in Feldkirch in 1937 and who died in Vaduz in the year 2000, comprises over 1,600 works created between 1965 and 1989 and encompasses various media, including sculpture, installation, painting, drawing, photography and text-based works. At its core is her critical engagement with societal structures and power dynamics, particularly those relating to female identity. In the 1970s, Jehle became well known internationally. Operating out of Feldkirch, where she lived in her parental home, she was nonetheless part of an internationally networked art scene. In 1989, she abruptly broke off her artistic activities. After literally tying up and packing away many of her works, she sealed her house, moved to the USA, and broke off all contact with the art world. Her work became largely forgotten and was only rediscovered when the seals on her house were broken a year after her death. Jehle's oeuvre turns everyday life and personal experience into art by reinterpreting commonplace objects and exposing the compulsive, restrictive and normative nature of the bourgeois private sphere. Her fearless experimental work was created in the context of the Fluxus movement and can be read as a significant, subversive and feminist advancement of its aim. With a wry humour, she challenged the male-dominated art world, navigating the cult of genius and interrogating gender relations through the lens of historically significant figures like Leonardo da Vinci, Joseph Beuys, and Meret Oppenheim. Confidently and vigorously, Jehle confronted prevailing power structures, achieving both autonomy and self-assertion.